領域展開福間水す
Yo, bro, this place clean, bro. This place, nice. Dino park.
It's nothing.
Yes.
You never been to the dinosaur park?
Nope. Actually, I'm inside this whole museum type of shit that's going on. You know. And then outside, obviously, the T-Rex.
The dinosaurs.
Yes, I think I'm seeing a T-Rex right here. You know.
Hey, what is this maze thing?
All of that. Dude.
What?
What's up? Is this our snowmobile, bruh? It's the one that we were using earlier.
Okay. It'll get me and Seagull is stranded out here. It's fun.
He'll be back. He'll be back to pick you guys up. I'm hoping.
No. We're gonna be damn near to the zone by that time.
You said no. Death crates. Move, bitch. Wow. Yes.
Seagull.
I forgot you guys got flares.
Seagull.
Come fire your flares.
I'm not shooting.
Teammates, come fire your flares, teammates. Quickly. So I can steal some loot.
My bloody. You steal my loot? Personally, just say.
Come on, bro. I have a freaking 8x, dude. Just chilling
Are you ready?
my backpack, bruh. And I can't utilize it. Come on, man. Don't be like that. Fire your flare. Fire your damn flare. M4. Just grab that real quick. Fire your flare, bro.
No.
Why have to be stingy?
What are you doing, sir?
Why
are you even making-
Because there's somebody right. Somebody just.
Watch out.
And you're making me drive? What the hell, bruh?
He's following
Y'all.
us?
What? He's following us?
Slow down.
Go slow.
You a dead son of a bitch, I'll tell you that.
There's one coming. Another car.
Okay, we are. This nigga's gonna kill all of us. Who's here behind me?
Yep.
Did they blow up our car? Oh.
No. I tried to blow that nigga up.
Help me. Help.
Who's helping Seagull?
Help.
Calm down, Jamal. How is that nibber not dead?
Whoa.
You're a fucking idiot.
Very much confused. The guy that was
Smoke
dead?
grenade, guys.
Marked a location. Okay.
You got him?
Okay.
Really?
Where are you going?
Oh yeah, he dead, bruh. I didn't even see that shit.
Them niggas were panicking. I killed this nigga. And his friend.
To the BRDM.
His friend has an MG3
Mm-hmm.
on me.
Marked a location.
Let me drop the boat.
I dropped this 8 times. Go.
Yo, my eyelashes keep scaring the fuck out of
Give it to
me.
me.
I'm dropping compensator snipers.
Really, nigga?
I need a mag.
Give me
Sometimes.
a suppressor snipers.
Why the hell don't I still have ammo? What the fuck, game? Okay, I'm dropping 4x. Dropping all these bandages. Clearly don't seem to need them. What is wrong with you, bruh?
It's only game. Why you have to be mad?
Can I have my 8 times back, please?
So you guys will make me drive again? If that shit, I ain't driving that. I need to get some sevens, bro. Wait. What is wrong with this game?
You're a fucking idiot.
Okay. Okay, I'ma just leave y'all guys behind. I'm leaving y'all. So you're making me bait.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, that's it.
Marked a
Okay.
location.
Y'all are making me bait. I can't believe you. Let's go. Let's go. What are you doing, bro?
I'm thinking
I
I
was
can't
about-
Let's go.
Where y'all want me to go?
To the center of the zone, please.
Okay.
There. Look at my marker. Go to my marker.
Let's have it, by the way.
Bruh, none of y'all wanna try the boat. I hear footsteps.
Head toward this point.
Yeah, there's somebody there. There's a snowmobile.
Amazing parking. Incredible. Even death crates all about.
Marked an enemy's death crate.
Oh, let me take a shower real quick. Let me take a shower.
No.
None of y'all grab my clothes. If you grab my clothes, you're gonna be in some trouble. There's no shower. It's just, what the hell game? What in the hell? It's fine. Oh, we still moving? Let's go.
Hey, airdrop, why there?
Watch out.
It just landed. Let's go to RDM. Let's go to the drop. Seagull getting so shocked.
Oh, the smoke grenade.
I still hear these footsteps, bruh. I rip if this nigga's just waiting for all of us to start looting and he just shoots us up. My game is so choppy. I don't know what the hell is going on.
Okay, let's get the center zone, sit in the BRDM and wait.
I think I'ma just stay. Your brother see somebody, he don't want to tell nobody.
Marked a location.
Yeah.
There's somebody.
Left? I'm left.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody's on our left.
Well, left side.
What are you aiming at?
Watch out.
He's moving.
Marked a location.
Don't.
Get drumming.
Not a problem. Not a problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Right now.
Watch out. Watch out.
I hear him, but I don't see him.
Oh shit. There's two guys.
Watch out. Watch out. Okay.
Thank the Lord. This game was so dang long. Oh, this game was so long. I was really getting tired. I was like, bro.